Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday, guys, and the market has been like creating some crazy moves, but we understand that because we had some sort of fundamentals or economic news or high impact news. Um, so this is the end of the week. By the way, it's Friday. And we also have NFP because actually it's December now. So it's start of the new month. And you just know that every first week of every month, we have NFP, actually high impact news, US stuff. So that will actually, try to push the market, whether up or down, actually later around 3:30. You see. So if you want to join the team, guys, if you want to join the team, you know what to do. We still have that special for 500 rands or $29, and that actually ends today. So let me show you. It's actually this one. That is going to end today for only the signals. So these are going to be the new prices. I hope you can see that. Those are the new prices. Those are the new prices. So yeah, without wasting your time, guys, remember I've been talking about XM as my recommended broker. So what I'm gonna do here is from today I'm going to create a group for only people who actually create XM account. I don't know if maybe you know XM. You can see on the screen it's XM. So there's a link below to open that. Everyone who actually open that, please WhatsApp me to join that team. I'll be giving you like some sort of signals and stuff like that in that group only when you open with the link below. There is a link for XM. Even if you already have XM, you can still open with that link and you can open another account and make sure you deposit. Then we can start to trade. I'll make sure that I assist you in so much stuff in that group. But anyways, besides that, these are going to be our new prices. Where is this? Because yeah, these are going to be our new prices starting from next week, Monday. You can see 12 months signal actually is going to be $165. You pay once, then you're done. And then for 12 months, you get the signals for 12 months. Then Prime EA or Prime Robot. Actually, you can use this robot on MT5. It's auto trading, by the way. No hedging, no martingale, so it's quite straightforward. It's now 265, like way too affordable, right? Okay, so let's just go straight to our analysis. What's really happening actually on the market? The market has been actually creating some straightforward. I think maybe straightforward. I can't say it's crazy, but I think it's much better. I think it's much. I can't say the market is not respecting whatever that we have there or whatever that we have there. So what I see is, let me just take this to the right side. Yeah. So on the right side, maybe you can see nice. So firstly, we have to identify the trend. Identify the trend on a 4 hours time frame. You can see that our trend is telling us that, you know what, I'm going down. Sorry. You can easily see that the market is showing us that, you know what, I'm going down. So which means this it's actually doing what? Pushing lower and lower. At the end of the day, the market started around this area, and you can see that it's now reaching this lowest level. Like a mountain, the mountain actually moves like that. The structure is like quite similar like that. So you can easily identify that, oh, even if I see small slopes there or maybe cells, but still recovery is there, but still the market is still doing what? Still going down. That's why we call that downtrend. And when we already identified that downtrend, we already know that, okay, on a downtrend like that, our job is to do what? To identify areas where we can do what? where we can sell. So actually you can see that I have actually a sell pending order there, which the market actually did not actually go there and try to do something. The market stayed there for a longer time. Actually you can see that the market is actually consolidating. So let me just use maybe 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, just to see things closer. Let's see. You can see that actually after we had this crazy push up here, you see that push up there, you can see that after that we actually see that the market started to do what, to consolidate. Actually this is where we call a resistance. So it means now we're expecting the market to do what, to respect this area, then to push lower as we are on a downtrend. If not, maybe we will see the market breaking this resistance, trying to push the upside. But we still have another area that we can call a resistance, an area where mostly the market respects, you see. So I hope you see that. I hope you understand that. If you want to be part of the team, I already told you. If you are in South Africa, 12-month signal, it's 500. It's 500. For those who wants the robot, starting from Monday is 265. Now I can say you can get it for $75, but that should be like very, very limited. Yeah, I can say, yeah, $75 up to Sunday. Then Monday we go to what? We go to 265. So I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. Which is US30. So what's really happening on US30? You can easily see, I think I just need to remove this camera. Yeah, see, this is how I like it. I don't want you to see me. 1, 2, 3. So what's really happening is, this is US30. I can easily see that, you know what, the market is still downtrending. I tried to draw this yesterday and I saw that it makes sense. It's an area where the market actually does what? Respect. The market is not actually forced to respect one line. So that's why I mostly do double lines, because that area is actually a zone. It's actually a zone. So yeah, let's draw it nice. Let's push it lower, little bit like that. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. So actually you easily see that, yeah, the market is going down, even though aggressively the market was trying to push the upside. But still, you can easily see that that structure that we have there is still actually telling us that, you know what, I'm still actually on a downtrend. Yes, the market sometimes can push to the upside, but I think maybe the market is trying to actually recover. The market might be trying to seriously recover. So when we go closer there, we can easily see that, you know what, the market actually reached an area that we can call a resistance. The market reached this area as a resistance. I actually, in the group, I sent in the VIP group. That's why we say you should be in the group. I sent the signal to sell, and yeah, that was very quick. That was very quick. The market even touched our take profit. You can see from this area to this. Now the market is back, is trying to consolidate. But I'm expecting maybe the market to do what? To keep pushing lower. But later on, there is NFP. I think that might change things out. Maybe if things are positive, we're going to see the market selling. If it's negative, then we're going to see maybe the market breaking out and pushing to the upside. I hope you understand that. So, but currently, before the news, before anything, before this breakout, what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting what? The market to push lower. Let me show you actually on maybe on a daily time frame. Maybe you will understand. What? Maybe you will understand. Maybe you will understand. Okay, now we have our daily time frame, we have our daily time frame like this. Do you see that? Do you see that? But it seems like, yeah, I like the fact that from this area, actually, the market was actually dominating with the bullish move. But we are on a very important area that we can say, you know what, whatever that happens there, we're not supposed to miss that. So whether the market wants to sell or maybe the market wants to break that, we should be there. We should be looking exactly there because we've been waiting for this. We've been pushing up, 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 but now we are on a very important area. We reached the wall or stop nonsense. If it's broken, then we will say, okay, the market now is pushing to the upside. We no longer talk about this downtrend, which means the market is actually changing the trend from a downtrend to uptrend. Or maybe the market will respect this area and say, you know what, I'm bouncing back. Then we will say, okay, that downtrend is continuing or bearish momentum is still very strong. Let's go back. Okay, now we are on US oil. US oil. What's really happening on US oil? I think it's quite straightforward. The market, I can still say, yes, the market is still actually on that bearish move. You can see that this is a daily time frame. I can draw that support where the market respected. You can see that area. I think I need to remove this. I think we need to get some nice structure because we have like plenty of them here. They will end up confusing because actually we don't really have to be confused with whatever that it's happening here. But it's fine because we are focusing on this move, that smaller move there. So let me try to zoom that. I know you said, Kenzo, I don't see. Zoom that little bit. So I'm trying to zoom that. So now on daily time frame, I don't really like to use daily time frame, guys. I use 4 hours time frame because the charts look much better on the screen and the candlesticks, they look much better. So actually daily for us, day traders, is actually way too big, you see. So now we are on 4 hours time frame. So what's really happening on 4 hours time frame? We can see that, you know what, the market actually it's bouncing back. We had a very nice downtrend. We had a very nice let me just show you that. We had a very nice downtrend. You see that the market was going down very nice, going down very nice. Guess what? As we had this resistance, a very nice one, by the way, the market broke out of that, and now the market is doing what? The market is about to push. Actually, it's already pushing to the upside, and I sent the signal in the group, and obviously they smashed that. You see, obviously they smashed that. So let's see what we can get here. Let me just use maybe a smaller time frame, and see. Let's see. Yeah, so you can see that the market is actually creating a very nice structure, pushing to the upside. Or maybe not like that. We can say the market pushes up. Around this area, the market consolidates. That it's a sort of a triangle structure. You can see that consolidation. I can even see that consolidation here. So which means it's like this. Actually, the market moves like that. Here it's where the market consolidate, push up, consolidate, push up, consolidate. Do you see that? Push up, consolidate, push up, consolidate, push up, consolidate. Do you see that? So I'm expecting the market to do what? To push up, but it seems like the market is getting out of that uptrend. Is the market trying to adjust that? Maybe. If the market maybe is trying to adjust that trend, it's also fine. We can do that. But for now, we can still focus on, yeah, I think the market is still adjusting this trend. We can say, or what we can do something like this and say, if the market gets out here, you see we have an area here. If the market breaks that, then we can say the market is about to sell. The market is about to sell, or there is a chance for the market to do what? To respect that area, to respect this area, then continue with the trend again. You should know about stuff like that, right? So let's push to the left. Guys, as I said, until Sunday, you can get the robot from $75 and 12-month signals for $29. So you can do the conversion, it's fine. So if you want to be part of the team, so from Monday, we're going to, the price are increasing to this. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let's see what's next. Oh, we actually missed this one. Wow. We actually missed this one. I thought I did hide this. We actually did miss this. So what's really happening on gold? You can see that. Let's see what's really happening. This is what I was talking about and saying that we had a very, very nice uptrend, by the way. We had a very nice uptrend. Guess what? The market is what? The market broke out of that support area, and you can conclude and say, oh, maybe the market is changing the trend now. Maybe the market wants to go to the lower side, or like say downtrend. And when you check, actually the market was just adjusting the trend, and the market wants to push the upside. I did talk about this before this happens, before this type of a move happens. So it means now we're going to do our thing and say, you know what? At the end of the day, we are forced actually to connect them and say, okay, at the end of the day, we're going to have something like that. At the end of the day, we're going to have something like that. Why? Because the market was just adjusting the trend. So which means the market actually is willing to continue with that bullish move. But just because this was very steep, the market won't keep up with that. People, they will be taking profits very quick, but still continue buying again. So what I'm expecting, I'm expecting something like that to continue. It might not be as the same as how I'm drawing there, but that it's how the market might create this uptrend. You can see it pushes up, comes down, pushes up, maybe comes down, something like that, and continue to push the upside. I hope you see that. So I'm still actually bullish on gold. So I'm expecting the market to do its thing. I'm expecting the market to do its thing actually. So let's push to the lower side. Let's push to the lower side. So let's push to DAX. I did not talk about DAX that much because I did not actually want to make my videos very long. But you can see the guys, whatever that I'm sharing here, I'm just trying to help. So smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I think for today this is enough. For today that's actually enough. Let's see. So as I said, guys, if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. We still own 500 rands or $29 if you want those 12 months actually signals. I will be stopping actually with mentorship. I'm not going to offer mentorship for now. Maybe until next year. I will see, because I just need to focus on other things. So I will be just offering the signals and also the robot. So the robot, you can get the robot car $75. At $75, the next week the prices are going to change, because yes, it's working. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and don't forget to create those XM accounts. It's a good broker. You get 100% deposit bonus. And after you created those, let me know. And then I'm going to add you in XM a group where we're going to share ideas, maybe some signals, some setups, everything. Whatever that is going to happen on NFP and stuff like that. And remember, there is NFP actually today. So I think maybe we can go live on that, if I won't be on another channel with Nick. So I will see what I can do there. So, but I'm expecting the market to give us some very nice moves. But stay safe actually on the market, because the market might be creating some crazy moves, especially with high impact news. You should be obviously maybe you know about that. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.